All right, so I'm going to show you this slideshow that has information on the vocabulary for the two stories that you're reading, Taming the Fear Monster and Conquering Fear. They won't let me download and share the PowerPoint, so we're doing a video. All right, here we go. Words to know. First one, cower. To cower is to crouch down or curl up because you are very scared of something. Kind of like this little doggy is cowering under the bed? Maybe a bed. I don't know. Dissipate. All right, so if something dissipates, play the little video here, it breaks up and disappears or fades away. So you can see the fog dissipating, breaking up, disappearing. Dissipate, disappear, similar, easy to remember. All right, elder. Elder means older. All right, so as an adjective, if your sister is older than you, she is your elder sister. As a noun, it means a person who is older than you are. So you refer to someone who's older than you, usually a lot older, as your elder. Not necessarily like you wouldn't talk about your older brother or sister as an elder, but your grandparents, perhaps you might consider them elders. Hover. Hover can mean to fly or float in the air without moving very far in any direction. Hover can also mean to stay very near someone or a person. So if you're like hovering around your older brother or sister, you're following them around, you're, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's hovering. All right. Irrational. Something that is rational is based on reason. It is logical and based on facts, not emotions. Something that is irrational is exactly the opposite. It is not based on reason or facts. It doesn't make any sense. That means it's irrational. Orb. An orb is an object that is shaped like a ball. So like an orange, a basketball, or the earth. All orbs. Sneer. To sneer is to smile or laugh in a fake, unkind way that shows dislike or disrespect. Do not like sneering. All right, trepidation. Trepidation is a feeling of fear, nervousness, and uncertainty that something bad that you think is going to happen. So, so here's this dog playing with the cat. Uh-oh. So you might feel trepidation as you walk down the stairs into the creepy basement. All right. All right. So they got a little quiz here. That's Allison in the photo. She says, Faith, stop hovering. So what is Faith doing? There's your options. Go ahead and pause the video and think about it. The answer is C, following Allison around at a close distance. All right, next question. Photo A shows Sophie's best friends from school. Photo B shows Sophie's grandparents. Which photo shows Sophie's elders? So pause the video, think about it. And here's the answer. It is B. All right. Which yard decoration could be described as an orb? Pause the video, think about it. And the answer is A. It's that ball-like object. All right. Hey, look, more orbs. Which part of the video shows the orbs dissipating? So part one, they're all coming together at the center. And then the second part of the video, all the orbs fall apart in different directions. Which one shows dissipating? The answer is B. Brian's sister just suggested having a family sing-along. Brian sneered at the idea. What did Brian say? Sure, that sounds really fun. Or B, a family sing-along? That's the worst idea ever. So what would go along with a sneer? B. All right, it's not very nice. Which is irrational? Being afraid to swim in the ocean at a beach where sharks have recently been spotted, or being afraid to swim in a pool because maybe somehow a shark got in there. All right, so which one is based on facts and which one is not based on facts? The answer is B. And then as a final activity, you can write a caption for this photo using the word cower in your caption. All right, there's your vocab for the stories. Enjoy. This is Monday's activity. Tomorrow, I record a video in which I read to you the two stories. So that's exciting. See you then.